StudyMode.com.
Okay, next question is prove that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This is the question we have to prove. So, LHS is equal to, starting with LHS. LHS is equal to tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. We are changing tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So, remember tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. The whole divided by 1 minus, then what is the value of cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. It is cos theta by sin theta plus again cot theta, here it is cos theta by sin theta, the whole divided by 1 minus what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. This is equal to sin theta by cos theta, the whole divided by, we can use the division symbol here. Instead of whole divided by the line, we can use the division symbol, and here we have to cross multiply after taking the LCM. LCM here it is sin theta. Sin theta. Now cross multiplying, it is sin theta minus cos theta. Then plus. Here cos theta by sin theta divided by, here also we are cross multiplying after taking the LCM. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now sin theta by cos theta. The division of the rule for is multiply it by the reciprocal. We have to multiply the first term with the reciprocal of the second term. That is, reciprocal is sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus, here also we are using the division rule, cos theta by sin theta multiplying with the cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. This is sin theta into sin theta, which is equal to sin square theta, the whole divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta, it is cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Here, now we have to use the method of adding two fractions. Adding two fractions means we have to take the LCM of the denominators. Here the bracket is sin theta minus cos theta, and here the bracket is cos theta minus sin theta. Since it is cos theta minus sin theta and this is sin theta minus cos theta, we have difficulty in taking the LCM. If we are taking the LCM as the given fraction, as the given terms, it will be very difficult for us to calculate. So, we have to make the two brackets same. For that, what is the method of changing the sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta to sin theta minus cos theta? We have to make these two brackets are same. For that, we have to change the sign here. That means we have to change the connecting symbol. This is the connecting symbol, here it is plus. We have to change it as minus. Now we can rewrite it as sin theta minus cos theta. Here also it is sin theta minus cos theta. That will be easy for us to take the LCM. So the thing we have to do to make the two brackets same is change the connecting sign. Here it is plus, so we have to change it as minus. If the connecting symbol is minus, we have to change it as plus. So here we have to change it as minus. That means LHS reduces to, LHS is equal to sine square theta divided by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. We had changed plus into minus, plus to minus. Now cos square theta, numerator is cos square theta divided by sin theta into, now cos theta minus sin theta changes to sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Now it is easy for us to take the LCM. What is the LCM here? The LCM here it is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This is the LCM. Now, for writing the numerator, we have to check the denominators of the fractions. Here, it is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here also, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. The first fraction of the denominator of the first fraction lacks a sin theta. So, we have to multiply the numerator with this sin theta. We have to multiply the numerator with this sin theta which is absent here. So, sin square theta into sin theta is equal to sin cube theta. The same process we have to adopt here also, because the denominator here is sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here also sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This cos theta is absent here in the denominator. So, we have to multiply the numerator cos square theta with this cos theta. So, it becomes cos cube theta. Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta is the numerator. Now, you have to remember the identity which you have studied earlier in 9th standard itself. What is that identity? A cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? The first factor is a minus b. Second factor is a square plus b square plus ab. We have to use that identity here for expanding this or simplifying this. Here it is of the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to, here I shall write the identity, a cube minus b cube is equal to, a cube minus b cube is equal to, first factor is a minus b. Now second factor is a square plus b square plus ab is the identity. So we have to use here. The first factor is sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Second is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta. The whole divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta can be cancelled. What is the remaining factor? LHS is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. The whole divided by cos theta into sin theta itself, sin theta into cos theta. Now, what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is equal to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. The whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now we have to divide separately, because in the numerator there are two terms, 1 and sin theta cos theta. We have to divide separately. That means this is equal to 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Here it is cancelled, cos theta cancelled, sin theta cancelled. The value is 1. LHS is equal to 1 plus. Here also we can split this into two terms, such as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. LHS is equal to 1 plus. What is 1 by cos theta? 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, and 1 by sin theta, it is cosec theta. Hence, we reached on the result. This is the RHS. We started from the LHS and arrived the result as 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, which is the RHS of the given question. Okay.